Oh, you're joking. I'm getting out of here somehow. Got a little bit of situation going on in here. The way Rose drive is kind of difficult for her to get out. We need to go past. We need to come past. Low bridge, as we expected to do, but the branch is still quite low. All right. Oh, you're joking. Gonna have to take the whole road. Gonna have to on the whole road. The whole road. We're gonna have to block everyone out to be able to make it. Otherwise, oh, you're joking. I'm getting out of here somehow. Oh, that thing back there. That's red, that's red. I can't even let the bus. God, it's all type of craziness in here. It's all type of craziness. I have seen everything today. Why would anybody from up north want to move down here? It doesn't make sense. If you do move from London down here, you are crazy. Got a little bit of situation going on in here. The way Rose drive is kind of difficult for her to get out, and I can't go anywhere further until she gives me some space to get through. There is no enough space for anything. I don't know if I'm gonna have to let them go through first, and then I'll be able to, let me see, to my right. Should be all right. She's done amazing. Thank you very much. Letting the big guy through. There we go. Thank you very much, ladies. You have done an amazing job there, letting me through and reversing back. My apologies if you watch this video. Well, thank you very much. What do you want me to do? Really, don't want to get your tires wet. Honestly, some people just don't care. Oops, we avoided that low bridge as we expected to do, but the branch is still quite low. All right. You need to get through, mate. Wow. If I didn't let them go through, I would be hitting my wind mirrors or my cameras or whatever in them branches, and I'm not planning to break them. Right, Tyro, yes, that is why you press your home a few times, just in case somebody's flying around the corner. All right, this road doesn't seem too bad. It's an A road, so it should be all right all the way through. 25 miles away. We need to go past. We need to come past. Oh my God. No. This is some mad road, this. I need everybody to get out. Let's see. So everybody's out now. So I need to try to make as much room as I can for myself. All right, what now? I won't be able to go past. This is crazy. Let me see what I can do. this is the this is what you find. Oh no, you can see. Just kidding down there. Okay. Okay, this is a nightmare when places like that. Yeah, can I? I'm there. Let me see. Wow, this is a nightmare, this place. Oh my god. You see, these situations are the ones that make me think like, why am I doing this job? Oh well. Okay, and that's not even, wow, look at how much queues. Look at the size of the queue. Just people trying to get through. Okay, I gonna need. Amazing. And that bloke just mounted a car for us. Okay. Managed to get out of there. Use the traffic now. Woo. Okay. Just gonna have to wait for the traffic now. Think it's good. So if you liked content so far, just like, comment. Ooh la la, slow down, pal. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Go on, pal. You go first. There you go, nicely. Okay, he's letting me out as well. But oh no, look at this. Okay. Oh no, you are messing with me now. You are messing with me. Okay, how are we gonna do this, pal? To get into. Let me see if I can do it myself, because he hasn't got enough space in here to go through. But he's gonna have to like put in the dishes a bit more. Yeah. Okay, all right. Oof, we're still bit close. Let me let it pull out now. Now pull this way a bit. Wow, what a crazy one. Just thank you, pal. Woo! This is a mental place, this. Push this way so it's got that straight through there. That's it. It's always nightmare. It's always something exciting in this little pool. This is amazing. I hope you're appreciating this as much as I am. Alright, this is not looking good whatsoever. Can't see anything. Got my lights on. Can't even see the lines on the floor. This is getting difficult now. Oh, it's annoying. Can't even see the lines on the floor. Crazy. What's going on, man? Wow, it's amazing how much it's snowing. Hopefully, like, I got loads away in the back. Let's try to make as quick as we can. Trying to make it to the top. I don't know, otherwise we get stuck there. It looks really slippy as well. Come on, boy. Come on, don't leave me halfway. Can feel my tires slipping. Whew. My TC is flashing up. Tires are slipping. Woo. Okay. Wow. Struggling the TC. It's flashing up like crazy. I thought that we weren't gonna make that.